So you left Mr. Fuzzy on the plane?
Well, I think we all left Mr. Fuzzy on the plane. Okay, hold on. I think I found it.
Of course.
Okay, wait a second. I think I got it. Hear me out. Maybe he isn't really lost.
What?
Maybe he's just sightseeing.
Look at him. Oh, yes.
Maybe he went to visit some family.
This is good. Okay, I got it. What if he took off on some adventures? Wait a second. Hold up. Too far. Yeah, maybe he just needed some alone time.
Little R&R.
Still, he's not getting here for a while. Oh, I've got an idea.
Hey, Emma. Took a little trip. Really missing you. See you in, 7 to 10 business days.
She's gonna love this.
Hey, Emma, come check this out.